Okay, here's these cylinders out. He's saying it's never been apart. It's got MLS head gaskets in it. It's got O-rings with a bunch of goop on them. And I've never seen a Harley use goop on anything like this before. That looks like something, this is something the mechanics would do. So, this stuff is all gooped up where it's not supposed to be. The other thing that the factory would never do is, if you look at the crosshatch pattern, it's at 90 degrees. So you can see how it's at 90 degrees going this way. And there's no damn way Harley would have 90-degree crosshatch, because 90-degree crosshatch is horrible. It just, oil just pours up and down past the rings when you do that crap. And you can also see how good torque plates are. See all these high spots in here? That's why you torque plate hone. See all the vertical scratches? Or the, See, that's why you're supposed to not have those in there if you use torque plates. Now, we know Harley uses torque plates, so much for torque plate theory. That's why I don't use torque plates, because it doesn't do a damn thing. You still have the same vertical problems, because the cylinders are made out of crappy material like aluminum, with a very thin steel liner that just warps all over the place with heat. You can see all the vertical marks all the way through the whole cylinder. So I think this motor's been apart and honed with probably a barrel brush.
I wonder if we could measure it and find out if they're over or not.
So we're going to go ahead and hone these things out and re-hone them correctly and do that. So here, wipe off your hands. Use your clean rag I gave you. See, now he has a clean rag.
You going to hone them?
Things. Yep.
Good dog. Hold them down and put it back together or what?
I don't have the gaskets with me right now. We got to start cleaning up everything.
Camshafts too. Lifters.
What's that, Fred?
Does he get new cams?
We're going to put something in there besides those, because they already look like they're coming apart. Okay, we got coarse, regular coarse, medium or fine, and extra fine. Depending on what kind of motor it is.
High performance.
Now, if it's a real motor, we would be running a really fine stone. But being a piece of crap aluminum motor, you can't do that.
Like them little iron heads, huh? Iron motors.
Something with iron cylinders, you can run really fine finishes on, because the cylinder will stay round.
They're actually part of the, they cast into it.
Unlike these things here, which warp all over the place, so you can't run real fine finishes because the damn rings will never seal.
Same problem you have with those big block Chevy aluminum blocks, huh?
Yep.
Honing barrels.
All kinds of phones there. There you go.
Hey, I'm important, Fred.
Flip it right around.
That's what's making it shake like that?
Yes.
How do you change the cross hatch on it?
Speed of stroke at. See, that cross hatch is a little bit too flat. Got an angle like this. Like that. I want to be more like. It's like this
flat?
now. I want to be more like this.
Oh, okay.
So
They make it a little faster?
bit faster.
Damn, man. Out around big time, huh?
This one's not too bad. The other one's really off. The problem is you cut that carbon layer off. Blows up your stone right here.
Yeah.
They're going to come back and clean the stone off. It's a special cleaning stick for stones. Let's go up a little bit faster speed.
Get the cross hatch right.
And the cross hatch is now steeper.
Steeper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. You can still see some of the old one in there, huh?
Yeah, but you see my cross hatch is more about like this.
Right.
You can see it in there. You can still see the low spots, but the cylinder's not too bad, doesn't have too much load on them. See that gray area there? That's a low spot.
Not getting focused good.
Yeah, it's hard to focus.
Yeah, it's good right now.
You see the most different gray colors in there? That's the out around warpage. Especially over here where the weld is more loaded on that side. But overall, that's pretty good for these cylinders. Now this one here is way out around than this one. See the low spot all through there. You can see where the bottom oil ring gets down to where it stops.
Yeah.
See, there's a mark. Chattering quite a bit here.
I'll go clean these parts in the back.
Okay. So let's see cross hatch in there now. That's what you're after.
That'll help from not burning oil.
You can't see the outer roundness from honing it,
Right.
but you sure can see when I'm honing it because you can
Feel
see
it.
you can see
Yeah,
it
keep
chattering
jumping
back
around,
and
yeah.
forth. Well, I can definitely feel it. But so everybody wants to know how you know you got a round cylinder or tapered cylinder.
Put on a hone, huh?
You can feel the damn stroke. You know, when it gets harder to hone on this side from this side, you know it's tapered. When it's out around, it bounces real bad, and you can tell. And you don't have to have a damn bore gauge and all this shit. It's just you just feel it.
Feel it, huh?
Yeah. When it's round, you know it's round. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and clean these all up, and then we'll see what they look like after the clean.